day to begin at the house, with all the bikes lined up and ready to roll. We planned the road. We set out together, engines echoing through the morning air. Soon, we entered the legendary Blue Ridge Parkway. The Blue Ridge Parkway is often called America's favorite drive. It stretches for 169 miles through Virginia and North Carolina. Connecting Shenandoah National Park with the Great Smoky Mountains. Construction began in 1935 and took more than 50 years to complete. Every turn revealed stunning mountain views and endless curves. Riding through one tunnel after another added to the adventure. As the fog rolled in, we found ourselves riding among the clouds. We passed fellow riders along the way, sharing the spirit of the road. The forest surrounded us, a green cathedral over the winding asphalt. We paused to rest and take in the incredible scenery. Later we reached the highest point of the Blue Ridge Parkway, 6,053 feet above sea level. From here, on a clear day, you can see endless layers of the Appalachian Mountains. We also met other riders, including couples cruising on big trikes. The road kept twisting. More curves. This section was pure joy. Then suddenly, we realized two riders were missing. As we turned back, police cars rushed past us. We followed them until they stopped. Ahead, we saw a fallen motorcycle and recognized it as one of ours. Park rangers quickly stepped in, and soon the ambulance arrived. A bump and dip in the road had caused our friend to lose control and crash on the shoulder. He was airlifted to Mission Hospital in Asheville. Thankfully, he was out of danger. After such a stressful day, we ended with a cold beer at a local brewery. Asheville is famous for having more local breweries than